Well, hello. Fancy seeing you here. My cat is batshit crazy. Anyway, today's an editing day. I'm working on more podcast stuff. I need to edit another episode. Anyway, I just wanted to get ready. I like making myself feel a little more put together, even though I don't have a job right now. But it makes me feel good if I have my hair done and if I have some makeup on. I feel like a little more human. And anyway, so I'm just gonna put some curls in my hair and then I'm gonna do my makeup and then, yeah, we're gonna get down to it. So stick around. Dog. Hello? Can I be your friend? It's a Saluki. I want a dog. Before I do my hair, I'm gonna just moisturize my face because I haven't done that yet today. I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. I'm using the one for extra dry skin because I have extra dry skin and because it's not scented, because the one that's scented really irritates my skin. I'm also going to take this Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Under Eye Depuffer. My eyes have seen better days. Do I look awake yet? I washed my hair yesterday. I'm gonna put some dry shampoo in just to give my hair some grip so it actually holds on to a curl. Also, if I'm talking quietly, it's because Quentin's asleep in the room right there. I'm trying not to talk too loud, / I'm still a little shy about even doing this, so that's fine. I just take a curling wand. I think there's like a 1-inch barrel. First curl always goes away from the face. And I usually do the second one away from my face too, just so I have a little bit more framing it. Also, I'm not a hair professional, so don't judge me if I do things weird. And then from here, I start alternating my curls. We're on this point where I start losing track of which curl was where and what direction they're going. So then my hair just kind of turns into a hot mess, / I don't know what's happening on the back of my head ever. Another dog! What are you doing? Cats. So I truly have no idea what's happening with the back of my head right now, and I really don't care. So, if I'm being completely honest, turn off the curling wand. I take just a texturizing finishing. He's closing the door now. Anyway, I took this texturizing finishing spray. I don't know, it's just a random one I got at the BX. And before I loosen my curls, I spray them while they're still kind of warm. And now that they're cooled off, give them a little shake. And I have curly hair. And that usually takes me like less than 10 minutes, depending on my attention span. Because I have the attention span of a gnat. Yeah, you shut the door on yourself, dude. He's playing with a moisturizer sample I got from Clinique. And it's like the best thing ever. Psst. What are you doing? Did you lose it? Can I help you? Okay, I guess that's where we're gonna be now. You know, you could use this little bed in the corner, then oh, fucked it up. Now what are we doing? We can fix that for you. Okay. That's what a bed is for. Like I said, attention span of a gnat. The cat is way more exciting than doing my appearance. Wow, I look so much better even if I just curl my hair. I really need to do this more often. More coffee. Okay, I'm gonna start my makeup off like I always started. Not with a real primer, but with hydration. So Vichy Mineral 89. Alright, I'm gonna take this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm in the shade 415. I like to use this because it's really lightweight and barely feels like I'm wearing anything. So I just dot it around and it really doesn't take much, especially on a like chill, low coverage kind of day. I just have this It Cosmetics 110 Airbrush Foundation brush. Dog! Where's your owner? Well, now that I have a thin veil of that covering my face, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. It's really close to my skin tone, so I feel like it's not too dramatic. Alright, I'm just gonna take loose powder. It's the Maybelline Loose Fit Me. The Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. Loose Finishing Powder. Set down where I put my concealer. The rest of my face really doesn't need powder. Bronzer. I'm going to use the Maybelline City bronzer. I'm in the shade Warm 250, Medium Warm 250. I don't know, it's been my favorite. It's really nice, really nice indeed. Oh, and this is a Real Techniques blush brush, but it works really nice as a bronzer brush. And for blush, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Blush Bazaar palette again because it's my favorite thing in the world. Thank you, Taylor. I'm gonna take the shade Endless, which is the shade that I used in my last video because I realized I really like this shade. I'm gonna take this on a Morphe M500 brush, which is just loose and bendy, so I can't over apply, but I'll try. Then I go in with the Essence Pure Nude highlighter and Be My Highlight, which mine's busted from moving, but it's fine. And this is just really, really natural, like sheer glowy. I focus this on the high points of my face. And for like more pop and highlight, I use the ColourPop Pure Cutie Kitty blush. Blush? Highlighter. Christ. I take that on a Morphe JH09 brush. And this one is just really focused on the high points of my face. For eyebrows, I'm using the Benefit Gimme Brow. I'm in the shade 4.5. I just have a mini sample size because I wanted to try it, and I think I want to get the full size of it. But I also like using the Essence Make Me Brow, and that has fibers in it too, but I can't buy that here in the UK, so that's upsetting. So I just go through, and first I'm gonna back comb my brows to try to coat the back sides of them to make them look a little thicker because I don't have a lot of brow, and then I go through and shape my brow. Do they look related? Distantly. On my eyes, I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna go back in with my bronzer. And I just take a big blending brush. This is a Morphe JH30 brush. It's nice and big. That's what she said. And I'm literally just gonna fluff this all over my eyeball. Focusing it in the crease, but letting it kind of disperse from there. That's the only thing I'm gonna put on my eyes today. And then I'm gonna go into the Maybelline Snap Mascara. I got this because it's supposed to be really easy to take off, and I wear so much mascara because I have no eyelashes, but the worst part about it is taking it all off at the end of the day, and usually still ending up with raccoon eyes no matter what I do. So these are my struggles. Truly first world problems.
One eternity later.
I mean, truly I just bought this because it's supposed to be easy to take off, but actually, I actually really like it. Gives my lashes some nice length and a little bit of volume. Not too clumpy. Obviously they're a little clumpy because I put too much mascara on always. Yeah, that's what I do pretty much on a daily basis if I'm not feeling creative or if I'm just gonna sit and work on my computer like I'm gonna do now. Oh, and I like never put on lipstick because I already have really, really colored lips. If I'm feeling sassy, I might put on lip product. Usually like a gloss. This is the Fenty Gloss Bomb. This is in the shade Fussy. I really like this. It's like my lips, but glossy. But I don't usually wear lip gloss because I don't like my hair getting in it. But I'm gonna do it today anyway. Another dog! 2 dogs! Do you want to be my friend? Please? Anyway, so that was what I do to get ready. And usually if I'm not filming, when do I ever film myself getting ready other than this one time? This usually takes me like 20 minutes, hair, makeup, like start to finish. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I would be eternally grateful. And I'll see you in the next video, which is actually gonna be a vlog because I'd like to make my life look more exciting than it actually is. So until the next time, bye!